Presenting The Art of Blossoming, please welcome Mrs. Biji Dushar.
So we start with Art of Blossoming. These are my own students. I worked as a teacher and then a vice principal at Vivek Vidyalaya. सभी जीते हैं, सभी मरते हैं, सभी काम करते हैं, but कुछ लोग इतिहास रचाते हैं. Even if you're not mentioned in the Guinness World of Book Records, but if you are in the records of a student and they remember you for lifetime for that soul-soothing experience that you are giving as a music teacher, it's more than history.
Help them to bring out the best of themselves and also to help them to build their character development.
Wonderful, awesome. You're all great teachers, yes.
Ma'am, to instill greater understanding of the subject, and in case a subject bores them, then maybe giving them that insight that what exactly is the subject to you and making them believe that.
According to me, education is not only for the marks. So education is for the life. Even if they fail in the subject or whatever may be, they have to come up. Even there is a chance, there is a life after that also. That is education according to me. I'm Tony Vijay Kiran from Bangalore.
Wonderful. Give him a huge round of applause. And I'll also to
Roshan.
give him a huge round of applause. RIL. R is realization, I is insight, L is learning. So if you got a learning, you will write L and write on the post-it and stick it on the chart paper. Keep the balloon arm to arm. I said no talking. If I get talking, that team will be disqualified. You have the balloons between your arms. You can't touch with your palms, front side or back side the balloon. Only through your arms you will hold. And you have to move from here till that end. What kind of a communication is important when you're dealing with children?
Passing the right information.
Passing the right information, doing things in silence. What else? To connect. Who was that? Super. What's your name? Pratima. So, Hema is to be applauded. So, what are you going to say? 1, 2, 3. Hema, you rock. So, are you a source or are you a source? Are you a source or a resource? You're a resource? He feels he's a resource. How many of you feel you're a resource? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 of them feel that they are resources. How many of you feel you are a source? And how many of you will never put your hands up whatever I ask? A resource is limited, but a source is infinite. So do you pledge to be a source of inspiration to those kids who come to you? to be a well of inspiration. Inspiration should be you.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए।
Are you ready? I'm Viji Tushar, a leadership development catalyst and also a life coach. And I have been into this profession for the past 16 years and an educator for the past 33 years.
So ma'am, how was your experience with FSM teachers?
I loved the energy of the FSM teachers, and I'm so happy to be here because these teachers are really making a difference to the lives of students, especially in today's chaotic times. You know, when there is a lot of chaos going around, a lot of expectations from each of the student to excel in all the fields, it becomes a kind of pressure for the child. At that time, music soothes the soul and brings about amount of centering within each individual. So what they're doing is actually serving the humanity to bring about a peaceful, contented, centered and spiritual beings in this earth. So a huge recognition to all of them and gratitude for having invited me at the annual Teachers Training Program. Thank you so much.